Fossil fuels are considered resources that are non-renewable. What that means is that once they're all used up, then they're gone forever. So fossil fuels are non-renewable, and we have three main examples: oil, coal, and natural gas. So how do they form? The first step in the formation of fossil fuels is the growth of organisms. So we need plants and we need animals to be able to create oil, coal, and natural gas. Then these animals and plants get buried, and then we call them burial of decaying organisms. After they get buried, then the weight of the sediments and the number of layers start creating some compaction. So you have heat and pressure acting on the decaying organisms, and then you have the production of coal, oil, and natural gas. Now, something important: plants, the growth of plants, the burial of plants, and compaction, the heat and pressure on plants make coal. Now, growth of organisms like animals, and then the burial of animals, and the compaction and heat and pressure of animals produces oil and natural gas. So just keep in mind that plants are the ones that produce coal, and this process takes millions of years.